What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, assuming I1 is equal to I naught cos omega t plus I naught and I2 is equal to negative I naught cos omega t plus I naught, plot Vx and Vy as a function of time for the circuits illustrated in figure 10.64. Assume I naught is constant. Now let's go ahead and continue. Here Vx is equal to Vcc minus I1 times Rc, and I1 is given right here. I1 is equal to I naught cos omega t plus I naught. So instead of this I1, I'm going to replace that one. So this will become Vx is equal to Vcc minus, instead of I1 I plug this one. This is going to be I naught cos omega t plus I naught times Rc. Okay. Now this is for Vx. Now for Vy, if you look at this one, here we have two currents, I2 and IT. So instead of this I1, we will have I2 plus IT. So this is going to be Vcc minus I2 plus IT times Rc, and I2 is given by this negative I naught cos omega t plus I naught. So let's plug that one right here. So this is going to be Vcc minus I naught cos omega t plus IT times Rc. Okay, now let's go ahead and simplify. Here we can take the I naught common, so this will become Vcc minus, if I take I naught common, this is going to be just 1 minus cos omega t plus IT times Rc. Now let's go ahead and plot the voltage on a diagram. So first we have Vcc minus 2 I naught plus IT times Rc, and here we have Vcc minus 2 I naught times Rc. Then we have Vcc minus I naught plus IT times Rc, and then this is Vcc minus I naught times Rc, and here we have Vcc minus IT times Rc, and here at the end we will have Vcc. Now let's go ahead and plot the graph. Here we have negative phi over omega, and here we have positive phi over omega, and let's continue here. Okay, then here we have this, and this one is negative phi over omega, positive phi over omega, and from observation we can see that Vx and Vy are opposite direction to each other, and the maximum value of Vx is Vcc, and the minimum value of Vcc is negative 2 I naught Rc. The maximum value of Vy is equal to Vcc minus ITRc, and the minimum value is Vcc minus 2 I naught plus IT times Rc. And that's it. That's how we plot this diagram. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you're trying to learn electronics too, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch it too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.